This video is to show you how to identify recurring donors and sustaining donors. If someone joins as a monthly donor through an offline source, meaning they tell us through the mail or through a phone call that they want to become a monthly donor. So that information is captured in the recurring donation object, and it can be processed in one of two ways. There are a few thousand recurring donors who are processed through a payment processor called Paya, P-A-Y-A. That company used to be called Sage. And then other recurring donors are processed through another payment processor called IATS. Now, we are only using IATS to process new recurring donors. However, like I said, there's still a few thousand that are being processed with Paya. So to identify each one, I'm on the constituent page, and this person happens to have a closed recurring donation. But let's open actually, you don't even have to open the recurring donation. I could tell that they're being processed because they have a payment method. You can see this is their Visa card. So this means they're being processed through Paya if they have a payment method. Okay? And we will still see this payment method if we click into the recurring. It's populated here again. Okay, so again, a payment method means they're being processed through the Paya payment processor. So let me show you an example of a constituent who's being processed through IATS, the other payment processor. So again, we're on their constituent page, and we know that they're being processed through IATS because they have an IATS customer code right here. And they will not have a payment method, if you can see that at the bottom. And again, if we go into their most recent recurring, we will see this IATS customer code. I'll click into it, and it's down below right here. And again, their payment method will be blank. So we know that this constituent is being processed through IATS. Now the third scenario of monthly donors will not be captured in the recurring donation object. Instead, they will have a sustaining object. Now it means the same thing. They're still being charged monthly, but this person donated through our website. So anyone who has a sustaining came from our website. So you could click in it, and you can see there. This screen kind of looks like the recurring donation object, but it's not. You can actually change their credit card through here, I believe, if you press edit. So again, sustaining means they came from our website, and if they paid with a credit card, they're being processed with Braintree, and if they're ACH, they are processed through Stripe.